I'm going to show you how I check these track adjusters. Basically, I want the two ends to meet. I want this to meet here when I do this. This is the way I do it. You probably got your own way. I got my way. Take a 17. Socket. Then, keep from making a big mess, we're going to go in here. Because this will make a pretty good mess. Tuck this in, as far as you can. Just like that. Okay? I basically just got tucked in there. All right, we're gonna break this loose. Come on out with it. Not all the way, most of the way. All right. I'm just gonna use the crane and pick up on my adjuster on my track. You see the grease coming out of it. Okay, at that same time, I'm watching my adjuster. This is my way of doing it. You probably got your way, but I'll do this because I want to check the clearance between the slide and the frame. That's all we're doing. As you can see, this one passes. That's one way to test it. All right. There's all our grease. I said it won't make no big mess. You do it this way. You'll be glad you did. That, huh? Come on with it. Okay. Tighten this back up. Snug it down. We'll some grease back in it. As the grease goes in it, see our adjuster moving. Okay, we're gonna stop there. What I'm gonna do is check play on my pulleys. Good. Our idlers are good. You just check your idlers while there's no slack, no tension on them, you know. Down far enough. Check something very quick. Got failed, didn't you? That ain't no good. Got you on a cheap tripod. Alright. Let's what I'm watching here is my spring movement. Believe me, it moves. There is a specs on tightening them. We're going to replace these. So I'm going to mark my adjuster. Just going to mark it. Now, if that mark comes up missing, I know my adjuster's leaking inside. Okay? Basically, that's it. Taking those adjusters like that. Your failures, you may ask. Okay. Back up here. If I had one that stops about 1 inch away, okay? If it stops about 1 inch away, I know my adjuster has fallen on the back side. It goes in a cup. And when you put tracks on sometimes, it'll fall out and you don't know it. You tighten the tracks up and you think it's good. The adjuster can't go back in the hole unless you pick the adjuster up and put it in there yourself. It's not going to go in just like, you know, by itself. You got to do it actually. So anyway, we'll watch that mark. The other side's marked also. I've then checked it, it's good. This is the way to check, my way of checking my track adjuster on 299 skid steer. Thanks for watching.